In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly meeting times directly into your email. If you've ever traded 5 messages just to settle on a time, this will feel like magic. Instead of sending a generic scheduling link, we'll drop actual clickable time slots into your message so your recipient can book in a single click. Begin in your Calendly account on the page for the meeting type you want to share. Think intro call, demo, or follow-up. Find the offer time slots icon and click it. This tool pulls a live snapshot of openings from your calendar and packages them for email, so you're sharing only times that are truly free according to your settings, buffers, and working hours. When the offer availability panel opens, choose how much availability you want to show. You can pick next 3 available days, next 5 available days, this week, or next week. Short windows like the next 3 days create momentum and reduce no-shows, while longer windows offer flexibility for busy teams. Calendly automatically respects your existing events and any minimum notice you've set, so nothing here will double book you. Once you've selected the range, click Copy to Clipboard. That copies a nicely formatted block that includes your event details and a set of time options, each with a unique booking link behind it. It's designed specifically to paste into email and render cleanly across popular mail apps. Now, head to Gmail, open your inbox, and click Compose to start a new message. In the body, paste what you copied. You should see your event title and a tidy list of times your recipient can choose from. Feel free to add a short line above the options, something like, pick a time that works for you, and any context they might need. The links remain live, so when someone clicks a time, they'll jump straight to your Calendly confirmation page for that exact slot. A quick note on how this works behind the scenes. The list reflects availability at the moment you copied it. If a slot fills later, Calendly will show the next closest option during booking, so you won't risk conflicts. And because Calendly handles time zones, recipients typically see times in their local zone at checkout. That's all there is to it. Click Offer Time Slots, choose the window, copy, then compose in Gmail and paste. With just those few actions, you replace scheduling back and forth with a single, professional email that converts. Try it the next time you're lining up a call, and watch how much faster meetings get booked.